Hey everyone, happy weekend. Welcome back to Mental Picks. So for today, we got a total of 33 Amazon leads, 29 coming from Amazon OA, and then 4 coming from Amazon or RA. So let's check some of the deals that we got for you. Starting off with Argosy Toys, which you could earn a profit of 6.46 with an ROI of 65% from this Tony Steel. Another Tony Steels that you could earn a profit of 3.14 with an ROI of 31%. Let's check some of the samples from Boots. Tony's again with a profit of 5.55 with an ROI of 44%. And lastly, this number 7, energizing moisturizer with a profit of 3.71 and an ROI of 35%. There you go. Great profit and ROI from the two websites. So check out the rest of the items that we got for you from these websites. And we got a one new website, which is Trotters. So check that out as well. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options. Review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. If you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. And we got a bot operated channel for you, which is Amazon to Amazon monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop from these sales. You could also sell them to Amazon itself. There you go. A lot of options for you to check. Another bot operated channel is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites that you could also sell to your businesses. From 50% up to 80% price drop, guys. So check them out. Lastly, our general and Amazon community that you could use to communicate, chat, and talk with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.